Hey guys, I wanted to show you BROADMIND's the headset, the prototype. I have it on, as you can see, and I wanted to show what it's like to work with it as a developer. I'm a developer, but I have no experience in brain signal processing, but I was stunned how easy it is. So firstly, I would go to this openbci.com/downloads, and you just need to get this Mac or Windows or Linux, whatever system you have. Download, install it as usual, and then just launch it. Go site on live, serial from dongle, start session. Just to reiterate, I did not install any drivers, any special software. I just connected it through USB, and it's not connecting. Let me try again. I mean, it's a demo. So yeah, I have it here. One more step I need to do. I need to go to hardware settings, load, and send this configuration to the board of the device. And after it's been sent, I can just click Start Data Stream, and here it is. It's just working. It's really astonishing. So as you can see, on 50 Hz, you have this peak, which is due to the noise, because I'm in Europe. That's the frequency of electricity in the power sockets. But the rest, you can see that so these two are on my top of the head, the rest are here, and as I'm moving them, and when I find the right spot through the hair, you see I'm not bald, there is no liquid, it just connects and it just works, and it takes the data. Of course, the data will be further filtered and made pretty, but it is here. Now, how do I use it as a developer? I can either connect to OpenBCI. I think they have some connectors via sockets or like HTTP or some such. But even easier is that there's this project BrainFlow, and they have installations. It's a library that has bindings for TypeScript, for Python, for C obviously, and so it's pretty easy to install. You just do pip install BrainFlow, and here's something I threw together in like 10 minutes. It's a very simple script. I took example from BrainFlow website. It configures the connection to the board, and here's how I launch it. I do board ID 0, which stands for Python. It's just a way that they communicate. And then you pass serial port, which you can see in your dev/device. This will be different if you're in Windows or in Linux, but you can see it here in OpenBCI, the name of the board. And then in the code, I just connect, then I send this config board. This is the same thing as if you remember that I did in OpenBCI, where I loaded the config that tells it exactly how to communicate with the board. And then you just start stream, and every 100 milliseconds, I just print average of that data, and let's take a look. So it configures the board, which takes 2 seconds, and then it fails, which is fair because I didn't stop the stream properly. Yes, and here it is. It just works. So yeah, that's how you work with it. To get magic data like your hand movement, of course you will have some ML models running in parallel, but they will be just as easy to work with as this thing is. Yeah, that's how you work with BROADMIND's prototype.
Thank you.